subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
ZTE has launched its new Axon series for in Mexico called Axon 40 SE with a unique rear panel design that has a glowing notification light on the camera ring. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The ZTE Axon 40 SE features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a large 93.8% screen-to-body ratio, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup and a camera ring at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 5-megapixel macro plus 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the ZTE Axon 40 SE comes powered by Unisoc T618 chipset paired with Mali G52 MP2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 2GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is equipped by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 22.5W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.5 by 75.8 by 7.8mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Axon 40 SE has been priced in Mexico at 5,919 Mexican pesos, and it is reportedly available for purchase in the country in blue and black color options. So what do you guys think of this ZTE Axon 40 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.